Hello, everybody. It's September, and we're going to be singing Face to Face very, very soon. So I'm going to be bringing back an old favorite. And the old favorite is Singing in the Rain, and that is our warm-up exercise before we actually sing the song. So what we're going to do is stand with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward so we get a nice firm grounding on this planet. Upper body nice and loose. And here we go. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Straight spine, shoulders soft. You could see there are a few changes in this exercise. And a gentle sway. And when we're swaying, you can feel this nice stretch here and sway, feeling the stretch. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Straight spine, soft shoulders, and bend your knees. Can you see? And bend your knees. Yes, we're just going to do little bounces. Bend, 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 and bend your knees. We're going to soften those knees. Bend your knees and sway. And we're going to feel that stretch, gentle swaying and sway. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Loosen up those fingers. Let's play the piano up and down the keyboard. And shake. Shake those hands. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up and down. Remember soft shoulders and soft knees. And sway. Feeling the stretch and sway. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Let's form the diamond. Let's form the diamond. Let's bend our knees, keeping our shoulders nice and soft. And shh, 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 shh. Phil. Shh, 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 shh. Phil. Shh, 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 shh. Nice long shh. Let go. And sway. And sway. Are we ready to sing?